If you're noticing your kitchen scissors or your crafting scissors, your hair scissors getting dull, what I have to show you today is going to be a quick fix to get those scissors sharpened up. This right here is the Orange Ninja Scissor Sharpener, and this is what it's going to look like, and it's going to sharpen a variety of your different scissors, and it's going to take out all of the guesswork for you. So we have this little dial right here, and you're going to be able to pick which one you want, fabric, craft, kitchen, or hair scissors, and it's automatically going to put it at the correct angle. So hair 40, kitchen 45, craft 55, fabric 60. So we're using some kitchen scissors here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press right here. That's how you're going to unlock the knob. And then we're just going to turn it to kitchen, and as you see, the sharpeners will switch with the turn of that knob. For the next part, this is how it has been designed to work. So you do need to hold it with your left hand, and then you're going to hold the scissors with your right hand. And for the sharpening portion, scissors have a flat side and they also have a beveled side. So this right here is going to be our beveled side. That needs to be facing down in order to get sharpened by that blade. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put it in there, hold it to keep it stable with your left hand, and we're just going to pull from the base to the tip gently about 4 to 6 times. So like I said, this is an extremely simple and convenient way in order to get your scissors sharpened up. Once you've done one side, you're going to be able to flip it over and do the exact same thing with the other side to get everything sharpened. So if you're noticing that your scissors are getting dull, this right here is a quick and easy fix.